Hey guys, I'm Shritama and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we are going to be doing something very unique and interesting. We are going to be trying out a different lip products specifically from Zudio. Actually, I went to Zudio, I went a little crazy and not like I bought all of these things at once. My last 3-4 months se I've been going to Zudio and collecting these specific lip products out from Zudio. So I thought why not try it with you guys. And सिर्फ Zudio से नहीं, I think I have 2-3 more lipstick / lip products from other brands as well, जो कि I'll just include in this video. But primarily the major section is Zudio and Zudio का makeup section is where it's at, you guys. I mean, कपड़े तो मैं रोज afford नहीं कर सकती, but every month अगर Zudio जाओ तो please buy something from the makeup section because it's affordable and so good. I mean, obviously I can't vouch for all the products, but abhi tak whatever I have tried has turned out to be really good. Anyways, without making this intro any longer, let's dive into this video. Also guys, if you're seeing my face for the very first time, hi, I'm Shritama. I make beauty and lifestyle content here on YouTube. Take a moment, subscribe to my channel, would mean the world to me. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram, the handle is right here on the screen. And now with me blabbering much, let's actually jump into this video. Okay, when I tell you I have gone a little crazy, I have gone a little crazy. मेरे पास तो 7 चीजें बस Zudio से ही है. Starting off, the first product, this is a trio from Zudio. It is their lip scrub, lip balm and lipstick in the variant blueberry. Now this whole thing retails for ₹199. The first thing which I have over here is the blueberry lip balm, and as you can see आधा खत्म हो चुका है. Now my verdict on this is that the packaging on this sucks, okay? Because ये जो lip balm है ना, this is supposed to be in a stick form. ये that kind of a lip balm है. It's very balmy. It's like your Maybelline का baby lip type of a lip balm. And इसको ऐसे pot में डालना is just not, sense नहीं बनता इसका. So that is the only packaging issue I have with it. But other than that, the product is great and it does moisturize your lips really well, and it makes it look really juicy and plumpy if you will. तो अगर आप ऐसे ही college जा रहे हो and just normally you want a good hydrating lip balm, this is the one. Just that I wish it was in a stick packaging rather than this pot packaging. Again, the lip scrub in the same pack comes in this pot like packaging. इसको भी मैंने थोड़ा सा ही use किया है, if you guys can see. But again, the same thing. इसका the base of the scrub, the base of the lip scrub is the same like that lip balm. तो इसका consistency में ही again थोड़ा सा problem है. The next product is actually one of my favorite products from Zudio, and that is this Zudio Juicy Lip Balm. Now, first of all, what I was sold on was the packaging. Now, if you've seen Kiki's Cosmetics, she is like a homegrown lip gloss owner, and उसके containers एकदम ऐसे दिखते हैं, तो I was very immediately drawn to it. Also, it says Juicy Lip Balm, but this is like lip glossish consistency. It's not even lip oil. It's like quite thick, so it's not a lip balm really. Also, the fact that this is plumping. अब मैंने पढ़ा नहीं था when I was buying it. I did not read that it was actually a plumping lip balm. I personally do not like ऐसे plumping stuff, तो थोड़ा सा आपको uncomfortable लग सकता है. इसका plumping actually होता नहीं. Like at least for me, I have quite decent sized lips, तो मुझे कुछ ऐसा फर्क पता नहीं चलता. But if you have thin lips, maybe it can work for you. The Doe Foot applicator. Oh my god, it is huge, and I love this applicator. This is the only reason why I got this really, because इसका applicator इतना huge है. Also, this retails only for ₹150. Yes, how great is that? So 150 में आपको इतना अच्छा Doe Foot applicator के साथ एक lip balm मिल रहा है, which is plumping. और क्या चाहिए? Also, it's in the flavor banana cake, which is again very not overpowering. They have a couple more shades and couple more fragrances to choose from. I really wanted a simple, normal, no nonsense ऐसे lip balm, so I got this. Also, if you see इस Doe Foot applicator के अंदर थोड़ा सा एक dip भी है, so it will perfectly hug the crevices on your lips. You get 4 ml of product in this for ₹150 only. But for a clear, nice lip oil / lip gloss situation, this is good to go. The next lipstick from Zudio has become recently one of my favorite lipsticks, and if you guys have been following my Kerala travel series, you all would know I bought it just before going to Kerala. It's this shade in the Zudio's liquid lipstick range in the shade Coffee Break. Now this shade is just right up my alley. It's a very nice dusty brown color. The only thing is that it does not stay that long and it can be a tad bit drying, but that's honestly not a big problem for me. You do need to layer it up quite a few times to get the opaque finish, but it just looks so pretty. Like at least with my skin tone, I feel like it looks so pretty. Makeup के साथ, without makeup, this will it's just like that perfect little addition. You can wear it by itself and if you mix it up with other couple more shades, it will look fantastic. And उतना dark भी नहीं है जितना ये दिख रहा है. Okay, this is a really pretty shade, and this was for again I think 149, 150. So उसमें you're getting this is great. This again has a lot more shades to choose from, so you can go to your nearest Zudio and check it out for yourself. But this shade is honestly such a killer banger shade. The next product, I think I may have shown it to you guys in some of my hauls at some point, and that is this lip gloss from Zudio. I bought this last year in 2023, and it's in the shade Crystal Clear Crystal, something like that. So it's basically what it is a clear gloss. Now this one is actually a really lip oil like consistency. It's not a true gloss जो इतना thick होता है, like you know I'm not really a gloss person, so I'm glad कि it's not like a true gloss which is just gonna make your lips so thick and shiny. वो मुझे पसंद नहीं. So I really love this shade. Again, this one is also for rupees 149. So definitely grab this because it's a great gloss under a budget. This has a like nice, you know, छोटा सा doe foot applicator. So people with thinner lips, it's good for them because oftentimes क्या होता है कि बहुत बड़ा doe foot applicator होने से it just spreads all over your face. Also, it has like a very subtle hint of a vanilla-ish fragrance. तो वो भी काफी pleasant है if you're in case you're sensitive to scents and all, you know. This is a great purchase. Moving on to the last lipstick from Zudio is again from their lip plumping range. It is their liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Iced Mocha, which is a very cool name if you will. From the looks of it, it can look like this will wash me out, but I am actually really glad I got this shade because this is very similar to the Blue Heaven का एक shade आता था, which I think they've discontinued now. The only catch about this lipstick is that it is a plumping lipstick. It's a plumping liquid lipstick, which is again personally something I do not like. तो मैंने इसको लगाया था, my lips started burning so much and I really do not like that sensation. I think this one was like 100 rupees if I'm not wrong. 100 or 150, not more than that for sure. If your complexion is lighter than me, of course this will be a perfect nudie brown for you. But if you're my shade or darker, this will tend to wash you out a little bit. This is what the shade looks like, and the doe foot applicator is actually a flat one, so it's not really a doe foot applicator, but the color payoff, the pigmentation is insane. Its pigmentation is actually really good, and you can layer it on, you can mix it up with different lipsticks. Moving on to the other brands of lipstick which I have tried recently. The first one is from this brand called Miss Lips. They literally बहुत ही random सा brand है, and I got this one from Smitten. This is a really cute mini lipstick and it's in the shade 07, जो कि बहुत ही fiery तड़कता भड़कता red sort of a color है. Only inconvenience जो मुझे लगता है इन lipsticks के साथ that like how would you apply it? It does not have a traditional bullet lipstick वाला top, so it gets a little tricky to apply that. This is what the color looks like. Now honestly speaking, ऐसे you know bright blue tone reds are not really my thing, so I do not really wear this. ऐसे ही पड़ा है जब से आया हुआ है, but it's a pretty shade nevertheless. If you're trying and shopping from Smitten, I think this was only for one trial point, so you can actually try it out. This is the Blue Heaven shade which I was talking about. So Blue Heaven का ये lipstick आता था. It's their Elegance Matte Lip color in the shade 11, and now I think this is a cult classic shade. सभी को ये shade बहुत पसंद था, and this is a very beautiful nude color. If you can see up close bottle में, I've literally tried to scrape every ounce of it, and कुछ भी नहीं बचा है इसमें. Literally बहुत थोड़ा सा बचा है. Like this you can see. This is one of my favorite shades, and I love mixing it in with different colors. You know, it just makes your lips look really pretty. So this is the Blue Heaven का Hyper Stay Liquid Matte Lipstick. So I guess their Elegance Matte has been renamed to Hyper Matte, and this was in the shade 14 Light Coffee. तो मुझे लगा these two shades will be similar. This is what the shade looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but this is a completely off-putting shade. This one is a very orange tone nude if you will, and this will give me concealer lips. If I apply it by itself, it will give me concealer lips. So no thank you, I don't want that. This is really cheap even though it's for like 135 rupees. But I really don't like it. And finally, the last lipstick to end this lipstick video on is my favorite shade from Inside. It's their non-transfer liquid lip color in the shade Autumn. इसमें 4 ml का product मिलता है आपको. इसका color payoff is excellent. It's non-drying, it's non-transfer. What else could you ask for? Like really. And इसका packaging अभी थोड़ा सा change हो गया, you know. The doe foot applicator has definitely changed. The color is so beautiful. The only complaint जो कि मुझे पहले भी था इस range से, that the shades are very repetitive and very close to each other. So even if they are having 24 shades, the variety is actually not that much. If you're searching for a good true oxidized red color in your collection, definitely grab this one because under a budget, such a pretty shade kahin aur nahi milega. So guys, that's it for this video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in my next one. Till then guys, stay safe and be kind to yourself and others. I love you guys a lot. Bye.